get my pen. Sorry. That's the wrong thing. Number one, you have the problem that says 7 parentheses, do this on your paper, 3x, that's what I was hoping to hear, 3x plus 4, then plus 2 is less than or equal to 156. All right, so what is our first step here? Yeah, you need to distribute the 7 to each term. So what we need to write is, we need to write 21x plus 28, then a plus 2 is less than 156. Yes, are y'all with me?
Yes.
Okay. All right. What should happen now? Yes, where are the like terms? 28 and the plus 2. Yes. So if I combine them together, they basically become 30. So my new equation is 21x plus 30 is less than 156. Now, what are we going to need to do next?
Subtract 31.
All right, subtract 30 from both sides of your inequality. Let me get to where you are. Let me show it since y'all told me. The 30s cancel. We got 21x is less than 126. Then we need to divide by 21 on both sides. Now that coefficient is canceled, x is less than 6. Okay, we're going to box that answer. Okay. We're going to box that answer. And we're going to put this in the little blank that we have on our paper. I'll go back to it. Now, on the worksheet, you have it's actually an answer bank at the bottom of the page for you to see if you are on the right track. Okay. So when I look at the worksheet, Jason, I'm going to come back to it. Just give me a second. At the bottom of this worksheet, we had a solution of x was less than 6. Did we see that answer?
Yes.
Yes, it is the orange, sorry. So,
Are there multiple
I think there might be. I have to double check. I'm not sure. So, what you're going to do on number 1, we're going to write the answer, x is less than 6. We're going to graph the solution. So, we need 6 somewhere on the number line. And then, is this going to be open or closed?
Open.
It is open at that 6. And then our arrow should point where? To the left. All right, to the left, Okay, so, and I'm also going to write this was orange. Okay, this was the color for this answer. All right. Okay, so I'm putting this here because this is my key to my design at the end. But also because I know there's not a lot of room here. That's why I'm doing my work on a separate sheet of paper. And there are multiple steps on these problems. All right, so I'm going to just go to number 2. All right, I'm going to do number 2 on the side here. This is my number 2. Number 2 was, I think it was 116 is less than -8, parentheses, 6x plus 5. Close the parentheses, minus 4x.
Do the parentheses first.
Yes, parentheses first. Good eye. So we're distributing the -8 first. Huh? It's greater than or equal to? Oh, my symbol's in the wrong spot. Okay, let me fix my symbol. Sorry. Okay, so distribute that -8. All right, so write the next step. So that would keep your 116 greater than or equal to. We should now have -48x minus 40 minus 4x. Now you need to combine like terms.
48-3x and
Yeah, the -48x and the -4x. When I combine these two together, this becomes a -52x. Okay, so I'm going to now have my -40. I'm going to keep the 116, and it's going to be greater than, oh yeah, I did freeze. It's going to be greater than equal to, no, just yeah, greater than or equal to. Come on, come on. The negative 52x minus 40. All right, now what we should do next.
Is plus 40.
Yeah, plus 40 to each side. I know. Where is it at? That. So do the plus 40 to each side. Come on, go ahead. Go ahead and do it. You said it. Now show it on your paper. You're not, leading me astray. You're on the right path. So just show the path on your paper. I have too many people waiting for me to write it on the board. When you're telling me, just do it. All right, so are we getting, what is it, 156 is greater than or equal to negative 52x? So what should we do next? Yep, divide it by that negative 52. And who knows what we need to make sure we do now? John Mark. Yep, this symbol, because we divided by negative, needs to be switched. So it's going to be less than or equal to 156, that's what, 3? Negative 3. Negative 3 is less than or equal to x. Okay, I'm going to box this, but I want you to make a little note of this, okay? Guys, on your answer bank, all your answers, I'll show you real quick. All your answers have the x listed first. It's on the left. Do y'all see that? Okay, so your work is still correct, guys, okay? You didn't do anything wrong. You just need to know that this basically is saying that a negative 3 is greater than, right, or equal to. Or equal to x, right? So if it's greater than or equal to x, which one is bigger, the negative 3 or the x? The negative 3, right? Because it's greater. So the x is, another way of saying that is x is less than, it's smaller than that. So here's what happens. Look, if I move this x to the left, and I move the number 3, the negative 3 to the left, then I have to also flip that symbol. Okay? So now this becomes x is greater than or equal to negative 3. So make sure you understand that these two are the same. If you flip the numbers around, okay, because you can do that, symmetric means you can switch it, then it's just you have to flip the symbol as well. So now you can see that this is which answer on the bottom?
X.
Yeah. Yeah, so this, I'm going to go ahead, this is red. X was greater than or equal to negative 3. Because it was red down here. Yep, there it is. And then we put a negative 3 on the number line. And we put a close. And it's pointing to the right. Now, listen up. The back of your worksheet, you're not, that is not what I said. The back of your worksheet is extra credit. I am checking only the front, but then the back will be extra credit. So the way the back works, number 1, our color was orange. So anywhere I see a number 1, I'm going to color in that little space orange. So do you see how there's this number 1 here? That would be orange. This would be orange, right? Everywhere I see a number 1, that's orange. Number 2 was red. So anywhere I see number 2, I colored that section red. Does this make sense? Okay, that's extra credit. You have to finish the front for homework. The front is for homework.
I'm definitely gonna do that. I actually look forward to it.